gentlemen, at this time, if I can please get your attention. Turn off the engines and listen up. I hope you can hear us out there. At this time, we're going to officially get this event going. It's the sixth annual Car Truck Motorcycle Show hosted by the Minutza family and associated with here with the Galvigo Cruiser. So thank you guys for coming out and helping. I'm going to introduce to you a lovely lady up here, and she's going to do a rendition of the greatest song this country's ever heard. This is not a political event. This is about fundraising. And at this time, I'd like to introduce to you Mary Ann Brenner, retired Port Authority police officer, K-9 unit. She will be presenting the national anthem, the Star Spangled Banner, live. Gentlemen, please remove your hats. If you have an issue of kneeling, please stand today.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Big round of applause, Mary Ann Brenner. Thank you so much. Let's get this event officially underway.
afternoon, everybody. We're here at Aviation Plaza. Today is October 25th. We're here at our annual car show. Just take a look around. We've got over 800 vehicles here today. We've got some very, very important people with us here. We have Bobby Barkoff, Mark Manutza, to name a few. And I'm sure I'm going to have a list of everybody else I should thank before the day is out. But it's a great day. Just like I said, the event speaks for itself. Again, over 800 cars. The money that's raised goes to scholarships and all kinds of charitable organizations, to say the least. And I just want to thank everyone who participated, everyone who came in to help and lend a hand for their support. And most of all, I want to thank the people who've come out from Linden as well as other communities to support this event. Thank you.
Try
the mayor of Linden, Mayor Armstead, in just a moment. But right now, courtesy of the Manutza family, City of Linden, all you folks out here, Galloping Hill Cruisers, everybody, we're out here for a few reasons, and one big reason we're out here today is we also like to help children. We have beautiful, young Isabella Dominguez out here. But she needs all the help we can get. She needs all the help that the family can get, and times are even harder now. So I'm going to start this out, and then we're going to ask for everybody's help out here. Club 3, Gary, come on up. We got a presentation from Club 3. They come around. They are with Jason's Friends Foundation. Jason's Friends Foundation helps kids and helps children with cancers. Izzy, this is a presentation from Club 3 and the gang out there. This goes to Isabella Dominguez. They're doing the same thing today. They want to make a special donation to Isabella and her family.
Good afternoon, everybody. Let me start off by saying there's a 5-gallon jug here. All you got to do is put the money in it. Okay? So first of all, I received a call a few years back by a gentleman named Bobby Barkoff and Mark Manizza. They told me that the car show they normally had in Union at 5 Points was no longer going to be. And so I said, leave it to Linden. Yeah! And here we are. We're here. This is our 6th annual event. And every year it gets better and better. Now, at last count, there was like, I think 800 cars or so here. Ladies and gentlemen, that is tremendous. We broke a record this year financially. I stopped counting at $14,000. So we got over $14,000. Okay. It takes money to do anything. But I want you all to know, this money is not going to waste. It's going to good use. Because for as long as I've known this car club, this group, they've done nothing but give money away to worthy causes, scholarships, children in need. It's Menlo Park. Bobby Barkoff, help me with the name of the group down in Menlo. New Jersey Institute of Disabilities. And you got to go down there one day, ladies and gentlemen, and I tell you, when you come home, you look at yourself and you look at your children, and you realize how blessed you are to have your health and your strength. These children, nobody has to come into the world with a disability. And it's our responsibility when they get here to make sure that we make life as good as we possibly can for them. And that exactly is what the Galloping Hill Cruisers do. Bobby Barkoff and his wife, Terry, I'm getting old, I guess. Terry and Bob.
Everybody
from the Galloping Hill Cruisers. Listen, all the clubs from New York and New Jersey who showed up today, thank you from the bottom of our hearts. The Linden PBA, Mark Manutza, I'll say his name 1,000 times. Mark and I go back for years. Okay, we're Linden boys. We're Linden boys. I'm sorry. Go ahead. We're Linden boys. You know what I mean? Friends for life. Okay? If I miss anybody, forgive me. My secretary's out there. Help me out there, huh?
I gave you the list.
You gave me the list. Hold on for 1 second.
I saw him put it. I did too.
Okay, here we go. Mark Manutza family. Galloping Hill Cruisers. Bobby Barkoff and his lovely wife. And Robin Terry. Linden PBA. All the car owners, all the car groups. Millbrook Properties for allowing us to use this great place. All the New York and New Jersey car groups, and most of all, everybody, we gotta thank the guy upstairs for not raining on us today. We have some council members who are here. We have Councilwoman Gretchen Hickey from the 10th Ward. I want to thank her. he had to leave. And I don't see any other council members out here. I see some future council members. I got Ryan and Ashton Armstead out here. So anyway, I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Public property, I know we have public properties here. Linden's public property, our police department, Office of Emergency Management, who has to somehow be involved one way or another anytime we have an event like this. Our fire department, although you don't see them, they're on standby. Okay? Anything else, Mark? Well, I don't think they're going to forget that one. We want that last donation for Izzy. Let me tell you, she has been through quite an ordeal. Her family has been through quite an ordeal. And like I said before, nobody ever signs up to be sick. Nobody signs up for it. But as people who are fortunate and healthy, it is our responsibility to do the best that we can to help those who are less fortunate than we are. God bless you all. Thank you all for coming out. And most importantly, thank you for letting me be your mayor.
$1,350. A total of $2,700. So that means $1,350 is going to go home to whoever has this ticket number. 531317. Congratulations, whoever won. All right, there you go. Congratulations. Tag number 18 goes out to a 1969 Chevy Camaro. Jimmy, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 83, Chevy Camaro, 1973. John, come on up. Tag number 8 goes out to a 1972 Chevy Chevelle. Anthony, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 20 to B210 Custom Chevy, 1952. Come on up, Joe. Congratulations. Tag number 31 is the Chevy Nova, 1972. To Yanko Tribute. Carl, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 46 goes out to a Dodge Challenger Hellcat 2020. Wayne, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 53 is a Plymouth Roadrunner, 1969. Congratulations, Rick. Come on up. Tag number 42, 1929 Ford Roadster. Bob, come on up. Congratulations. Oh, you popped your cherry with that one. That's your first one. Tag number 62, 50th anniversary Camaro. Mike, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 136, it's a Buick GS 1971. Bulldog, where are you? Come on up. Okay, as long as you're out there, we can keep moving. Tag number 158, it's a brand new Chevy Bel Air 1956. Gary, come on up. Wait a minute, how can that be brand new?
It's brand new to him.
Tag number 41 goes out to a 1966 Chevy Corvette. Stan, come on up. Thanks for coming out. Congratulations. Tag number 311. It's a Chevy Chevelle 1969. Goes out to Mike P. Come on up. Tag number 188. It's a 1954 Chevy convertible. Rich, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 137, the Chevy Chevelle 1970. Bill, come on up. Congratulations. Matching numbers. Tag number 100, it's a Pontiac Grand Prix 1986. Mike, come on up. Congratulations.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Good. Tag number 221 goes out to a Harley Davidson today, a Harley Softail. Steven, come on up. 2019.
Harley Davidson.
2019 Harley Davidson. That was the bike. Good. Tag number 90. What's that, an Evo? Harley Davidson. There you go. We have a 2012 Harley Davidson. It's a big bore engine. It's custom. Benny, come on up.
There you go.
I have tag number 227, another Harley Davidson motorcycle. It's a 1995. Bear, come on up. Tag number 91. I got it. Classic bicycles. Out here, Ortiz, come on up, tag 91. He's got a whole set of bikes out here from 1890 to 1968. So that's who gets that one. Ortiz, come on up, buddy. 309, Harley Davidson Sportster 2003. Ken, come on up. Congratulations. Gotcha. Thank you. Tag number 389. It's a 2013 Triumph with sidecar.
Yeah, I got it.
George, come on up. Congratulations.
I called it
Tag
right.
number 486.
Congratulations.
It says Schwinn. Ramshorn, 1967. That's about all I got. Tag number 486.
Schwinn.
Got it.
Why I say that hand.
There you go. Okay, that's a bike.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Tag number 487. It's another one. It's a Jaguar Schwinn, 1954. Antonio, come on up. 487. You're going to take it?
Thank you.
Tag number 125, Redneck Engineering Chopper, 2007. Robert, come on up.
Comes with directions. Thank you.
Tag number 55, it's a 1967 Fleetwood Cadillac. Mike, come on up. Come on up.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
All right, don't leave.
Don't leave.
Oh,
Don't leave.
thank you, bud.
Yeah,
Thank
he
you.
said don't leave.
Okay, thank you.
Gennaro, you out there? Tag 63. There you go. Gotcha. Looking the
I'm
wrong
the
way.
better half. Okay.
I love that. Tag number 69 goes out to a 2018 Ford Shelby GT 350. Andrew, come on up. Congratulations. Carlos, come up.
Right here.
Oh, there you are. Tag number 86. It's a 1959 GMC pickup. Chuck, come on up. Congratulations. Tag 104 Ford Mustang Bullet 2019. Andrew, come on up. Thank you.
What you doing? Watching clothes?
Andrew, tag number 10. Thank you. I see it. See, that works great. Thank you. Tag number 109. It's a 1969 Chevy Chevelle. Vincent, come on up. Congratulations. Tag 109, 1969 Chevy Chevelle. You out there? Raise your hand. All right, moving on. Tag number 147. It's a 1987 Pontiac Trans Am. Ira, come on up.
Right here.
Ira, come up. Thank you. Tag number 151. It's a Ford Mustang, 1966. That's all I have on this. Sometimes names help, folks, but I don't know. I don't have it. Tag 151. Ford Mustang, 1966. Gotcha. Thank you. Congratulations. Tag number 168. You picking it up, Johnny O'Wine? Where's the sunshine, baby? Tag number 189 goes out to a 1986 Chevy Monte Carlo. Carlo, come on up. Tag 18, gotcha, thank you. Tag number 262. It's a 1984 Cadillac Coupe DeVille. It's a Gucci coupe. What can we tell you? Johnny, come on up. Congratulations. There he is. Gotcha. Tag number 289. It's a 1967 427 Corvette. Arturo, come on up. Congratulations. Tag 289. Mayor Armstead, who's been gracious in giving us the permits and the permission in the city of Linden for coming out and having this. Unfortunately, he has another gig to get to. Very busy man, so we're going to do Mayor's Choice right now.
Just to give you a little bit of history, I come down here sometimes during the weeknights when you have your shows, and I normally pick a car that has some sort of connection to me or my family. And I came down, looked at the car, and it so happens this family, the Carson family from Linden, they have a 55 Mercury in it. Now, when I was a kid, my father always used to brag about all his escapades, God rest his soul. And then he bragged about this Mercury that he used to drive in, and he picked up my mom in, and he said, you know, it almost didn't happen if it wasn't for this Mercury. And I said, and he said, when I first met your mom, man, he said, what's your name? She said, Lucille. And he said, well, what kind of car do you like? She said, Oldsmobile. He said, so it almost didn't happen. He said, so, you know, but he said, she got the Mercury anyway. He said, the rest is history. So we picked the Mercury, a 1955 Mercury by the Carson family from Linden, New Jersey. And as I say always, leave it to Linden.
Okay, one more thing. I need Mrs. Carson to come up here. They brought 20 cars in. Her husband passed away. He's an old school car guy. These guys got hot rods that'll knock your socks off. Derek, this is your trophy for them.
Man, we got two, man. More dust collected. Thank you.
All right, we good?
Thank you.
Okay, did Arturo come up with a 67 Chevy Corvette tag 289? Did Arturo come up? Joe? Thank you. God, right here, come on up, Sal, thanks. Joseph came up, thank you. Tag number 258, Ford Tudor sedan, 1930. Tim, come on up, congratulations. Tim, you out there? Dude, starting the raindrops. Tim Fox, Tim, you out there, 258? Well, forehand so we can move on. It's a Ford Tudor 1930. Tim. You Tim Fox? Okay, I'm looking for Tim Fox. We'll cover that. Tag number 369. It's a 1934 Ford. Frankie, come on up. 369. Frankie, come on up. 1934 Ford. You out there? Thank you. Tag number 473. It's a 1999 Mercedes SL 500. Rob, congratulations. Come on up. Rob. If you're out there, raise your hand. That helps me an awful lot. Thank you. That way I can just keep moving on. 356. It's a 1997 Fiat 126P. Kevin, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 360. It's a 1970 Buick Riviera. Wayne, come on up. Congratulations. Wayne. 360 Riviera Buick. Tag number 375, Pontiac GTO, 1970. Danny, come on up. AKA Big Daddy, where are you, man?
Where are you?
folks. I'm moving on.
Which number? Which number?
Where's 75?
Wasn't sure if you left or not, dude. There you go. He's good. Thank you, Dan. Curb appeal. Tag number 172. It's a Chevy 3100, 1956. D. Ryan, come on up. Are you out there? Thank you. And today, ladies and gentlemen, special thank you to the Staten Island Region Antique Automobile Club of America for helping us with our fantastic judging today. They donated their time. They came out here today from Staten Island to help us out. Tag number 209 is a Chevy Impala 1958. Baldo, come on up. Baldo. You have to raise your hand. I'm moving on. Tag number 225. It's a 1966 Ford Mustang. Alex, come on up. Congratulations. Alex. Okay. Is Alex out here? Move on. Tag number 304 goes out to a 1953 Buick. Tom, come on up. Congratulations, Staten Island Car Club.
Oh, look, coming from that side. Oh, good, okay. Congratulations.
Tom, are you out there? Okay, thank you, Tom. Tag number 414. It's a Chevy 2 Nova, 1967. Barbara, come on up. Are you out there, please? 414, tag 414. Barbara, 67 Nova. Next one. Tag number 218, 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback. Jim, come on up. Congratulations. We got a lot of beautiful trophies here. They're just hanging out now. Thank you. Gotcha. It's Jim, right? Okay, we got you on the right one. Tag number 319, 1970 Buick Electra 225. Pete, come on up. Congratulations. 219, Pete, you're up here, Buick Electra. You got it? Tag number 177 goes out to a 1951 Chevy Styleline Deluxe. Matt, come on up. Tag 177, 51. Chevy Styleline, you're out there, raise your hand. Gotcha, thank you. Tag number 259, it's a 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. Bill, come on up.
171?
Matt, style line.
It was 177 was the last one. 177.
Matt, right? Style line.
Yeah, that's Matt, yes. Darren, Drag Strip Zombies, great show, man.
Brother.
Thanks, I hope you invite us back next year.
You got it, man.
Is this Bill? Okay, Bill, you're good to go. Whoops, sorry, Mark. Tag number 255, it's an MGB. Rich, 1978 MGB, come on up. Rich, you out there? Raise your hand, let me know. Gotcha, okay. Tag number 257, it's a 1939 flathead Ford Coupe. I do not have a name, sorry. Tag 257, Ford Coupe, 1939. Got it. Tag number 422, it's a 1970 Chevy Corvette. Again, no name. Guys, you gotta help us out. You like to hear your name, right? Tag 422, Chevy Corvette, 1970.
422.
You out there? How come he's not running up here? Tag number 39 goes out to a 2014 Ford Mustang GT. Roy, come on up. Congratulations. Roy, come on up. Congratulations. They got a lot of tags here. I'm just going to go through these tag numbers here real quick. Maybe somebody didn't hear. Okay? Tag number 39, 2014 Mustang. Tag number 422, 1970 Chevy Corvette. Tag number 414, it's a 1967 Chevy 2 Nova, Barbara. Tag number 225, it's a 1966 Ford Mustang, Alex. Tag number 209, it's a 1958 Chevy Impala, Baldo. Tag number 360, Buick Riviera, Wayne. Tag number 258, it's a 1934 Tudor, Tin. Tag number 289, Arturo with the 1967 Corvette. 1967 Fleetwood Cadillac, tag number 55, Mike. Mike got his? Okay. Tag number 188, Rich with a 1954 Corvette. You got it? Vito got it, okay. And yeah, we did have 422 was up there.
Thank you.
Tag number 8, 1972 Chevy Chevelle, Anthony. We got 442, that's done. All right, back to the regular ones. Nobody yet? Yeah, okay, Wayne, we got you. Go ahead. Good. Yep, we got you. Good. All right.
I'm picking it up for him.
Not a problem. Tag number 187, these are new calls. Tag number 187, it's a 1966 Chevrolet Biscayne. MG, come on up, congratulations. Chevrolet Ranch Wagon. Joe, come on up, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Got it, Ted, there you go. Tag number 270, it's a 2007 Chevy Indy Pace Corvette. Jim, come on up, congratulations. He's coming? Gotcha. Tag number 339. It's a Cadillac DeVille, 1966. Vinny, congratulations. Vinny. Hands up? Nope. Tag number 399. It's a 1971 Buick GSX. John, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number 342, it's a 1990 Toyota Celica.
It's me, thank you.
Was that Marlon? All right, there you go. We got you, we got you. Tag number 429 goes out to a 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury. Come on up, congratulations. 429 is the tag number. 67 Plymouth Sport Fury. Gotcha, thank you. Tag number 417, 417. It's a 1969 Chevy Camaro. Who's that, Renee? No, Bowman. Where are you?
I see it.
He's coming?
Right here.
Tag number 440, it's a Buick Electric Convertible, 1969. Matt, come on up, congratulations, gotcha. Tag number 384, it's a 2014 Jeep Wrangler. Megatron, come on up. Got it?
Congratulations.
Tag number 551, it's a 1966 Ford GT40 MKI. Carl, come on up. What is it, MK1?
Pat, how you doing? Patty. What's up,
All right.
Pat?
Congratulations.
What's that, big?
All right, you out there, Carl? To the side. Tag number 581, it's a 1967 Shelby Cobra. Raphael, come on up.
Raphael.
Tag number 405, it's a 1937 Cadillac Series 60. Jim, come on up.
Who was that?
Nope. Different one.
That was Ronald.
We good? Tag Tag number 213, it's a 1969 Chevy Chevelle Malibu. Joe, congratulations, come on up. Tag number 210 goes out to a 1981 DeLorean DMC 12. Dave, come on up, congratulations.
Okay, congratulations.
Yep, got you.
Here.
Right up here, right up here. Young ladies from Galpino Cruisers are helping us out, so they're right up in front. Social distance here, you know. Tag number 310 goes out to a 1967 Ford Mustang GT. No name, come on up. Gotcha. Tag number 154, it's a 1967 Pontiac GTO. Mike, come on up, congratulations. Mike, you out there, tag 154? Tag 155 goes out to a 1969 Chevy Camaro. Johnny, come on up, congratulations.
Yep, another buddy. Okay.
It's gonna be one.
That's it, you got two? You got those two?
Yes.
All right.
Thank you.
Tag 552, it's a 220. Vanderhall, Blackjack. Come on up, Brandy. Brandy, you out there? Just raise your hand, help us out. Thank you, got you. See you down there, perfect. Tag number 248, it's a Ford Tudor sedan, 1940. Michael, come on up. 7 Chevy Bel Air. Dave, congratulations, come on up. Oh, Dave, how are you?
Hey, Dave, don't go anywhere.
Stay here, they say.
Stay here.
Tag number 454, 1948 Ford Coupe. Ed.
Ed, okay, congratulations.
Tag number 578, it's a 1969 Chevy Camaro Z28. No name, come on up. Tag 578, 578. Okay, we got you, Johnny. Tag 450, 450 goes out to a 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Tag 450. Is that one I keep telling you to turn that damn music down all day long? Tag number 530.
Thank you.
It's a 1961 Ford Econoline pickup. Sunil, come on up. Tag number 484, 1961 Chevy Impala. Larry, come on up.
Number 530.
530.
Yeah. Yep. We're going to ask you to wait here, all right?
Take this.
Oh, wait.
That Larry,
I got the thing.
to Brooklyn, 1976. Michael and Aaron, come on up.
550.
Tag 557, 1960 Chevy Corvette. Original. Billy, come on up.
Bill.
Bill. Okay. Bill, this is.
2. He's got another car.
Oh, wait, you have 2? Wait. 2?
Yeah, one for the grandson. Yeah, he gets 2.
Oh, 2. Wait, no, he said 2.
I got a 556, which is a 41 Special Deluxe Chevy.
Yes.
And I have a 1960 Chevy Corvette.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Here we go. Beat them up.
Tag number 540. It's a 1973 Ford Mustang Grande Coupe. Come on up. Gotcha. Tag number 512. It's a Mack B85 1957. Mike, come on up. Congratulations. All right, I'm looking for tag number 179, Majors. Come on up.
We're here, we'll
Hey, up here, Major. Up here for a minute. Up here. Just for a minute, would you please?
Another Carson.
Yeah.
First of all, Councilwoman Gretchen Hickey, Linden, you guys are all amazing, Mark and crew. I can't believe the support that you've given to the community and the great things that this car does. These are my cousins, Tommy, Nicole Majors. They lost their father a couple years ago in a freak accident. And Tommy and Nicole have carried on a tradition of racing. And I'm so proud to be a councilwoman giving you this trophy today, and amazed to be with a lot of great people here that you guys are a part of. Your dad's watching down on you, and I know you're going to keep kicking butt out on that track, Tommy.
Let her rip, Tater Chick. No, real quick, I just want to say something. Thank you all. I mean, this is what cars, like the classic cars, imports, drag race cars, everything brings us all together, and it's a beautiful thing.
I just want to say thank you again for this. I love you, Pops. But, you know, it's not only about our dad today. Mr. Carson, Pop, we love and we miss you. This one's for you. Carsons, thank you for everything you guys do for us. Family, love you.
They're not here, nobody comes and picks up their trophy, we're mailing them to them. Simple as that. Tag number 461, Volkswagen Beetle. Alfred, come on up.
461. Oh, they looks gorgeous.
461, 1973, Volkswagen Beetle. Gotcha, thank you. All right. You got it.
461.
Yep. All right, we're going to give out some of these others, then we're going to call through the list. What do you want to start? Doesn't matter? Okay. We just handed out the mayor's choice. Thank you, Mayor Armstead, for helping us out. Next trophy goes out in memory of Joseph Rodriguez. Goes out to a 1955 Chevy. Greg K, come on up. These are specialty awards, folks. Angela and Roseanne, they're going to hand it out for their father, Joseph. Okay. Oh, for their son. You mix it. I feel bad now. You good? Thank you. All right, next, in memory of Officer Frank Vigiano, I have a 1974 Harley service car. Or is it a 2? It's a 72, sorry. Al, come on up. Congratulations, thank you. Oh, there you are, Al. When did you get here? Next, in memory of Councilman Jack Sheehy, goes out to tag number 530. It's a 1961 Ford Econoline. Congratulations. That's the Econoline? There you go. Next, in memory of Nino Manuzza, tag number 278, goes out to a 1973 Cadillac. Pete, come on up. Congratulations. Picked by the big man himself right here. All right, we good? Good? No, I only got 4. Okay. Specialty award. Tag number 158 goes out to a 1956 Chevy. Gary, come on up. Congratulations. These are the best in shows. So these are the best in shows. We still got a whole stack over here, but these are the best in shows. Tag number 55 goes out to a 1967 Fleetwood. Mike, come on up. Best in show. Tag number 262. It's a 1984 Cadillac. Best in show. John, come on up. Congratulations. Tag number, is this right? Tag number 950? Goes out to a 1962 Chevy. David, come on up.
Over here.
Wow, tag 950. Tag number 382 goes out to a 1955 Chevy Nomad. Edward, come on up. Congratulations, best in show. You're out there, buddy.
What's the tag number?
950.
All right. I don't know. Try to remember. 900 didn't come up. No, 382. 382?
382.
Best in show?
382.
You got it? You picking it up, Mark? Okay, thank you. Tag number 900 goes out to a 1957 Oldsmobile wagon. Joseph, come on up. Congratulations. Best in show. I'm looking for tag number 200. I got another specialty in memory of Perry Galinsky. Goes out to a 1957 Chevy. David, come on up. Good seeing you all season, man. And send me that list next year, will you?